Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Michael. I am honestly lost for words, so I needed paper to write down what I feel because I'm too nervous right now. I'll try to, keep it together. I want to thank you for everything you've done for me. I grew up with your music, and you are the reason why I learned English in the first place. You've made me strive to be a better human being, want to help other people, and just help them in any way that I can. I love writing poems thanks to you, and in my darkest hours, your music and your dancing have helped me be stronger. Dancing has definitely changed my life. I really have not enough words to thank you for existing in this world. I love you for who you are, both as an artist and as a human being, because you are the greatest of all. You are truly one of a kind, and I just don't know what to say. I love you beyond words. You are a constant ray of light in my life, and to me it's like you're shining brighter than the brightest star in the universe. So, happy birthday, Michael. May you have a wonderful day filled with smiles and the most beautiful surprises. And may you always smile and be surrounded with love and affection and tenderness. And since I consider you my friend, I just have this short poem that I've written for you, and it says like that: I believe in the power of forgiving. I believe in a love that has no end. I believe in people who are believing, and mostly I believe in you, my friend. I love you, Michael. Happy birthday from Katie from Romania.